How's it going, everyone? I'm Yaz from the Astra team, and I'm proud to announce our brand new update, Astra 3.8. With this update, I have some exciting new features to show you, like improvements to the editor, meta improvements, and more. In this video, I'll give you a breakdown of everything you need to know about this new update and why Astra is the best theme for block editor. Back in October 2018, when block editor was still new to the scene, we included block editor integration with Astra. Astra was one of the very first themes to do that. At that point, block editor was evolving rapidly, but we were always on alert to make sure we're making the necessary changes and improvements to our integration so we could give you the best experience possible. Over time, as block editor became more stable, it now offers more robust APIs for theme authors. So we decided to start from the ground up and take a look at our block editor integration from scratch. And today, I'm pleased to announce that we're taking that integration to the next level. We have redone our block editor integration from scratch by taking advantage of the latest features and APIs offered by WordPress. So if you're ready, let's dive in and take a closer look. Now, you may know that with WordPress 5.8, they introduced theme.json, a way to specify styles to be generated for the editor and front end. It allows themes such as Astra to provide users a better control for colors, layout, typography, borders, and default settings for the blocks. And if you've ever compared block editor with other page builders, you might have found that block editor is lacking in terms of customization controls. This is because block editor relies on themes to take that design decision and provide control to users via theme.json. But with Astra 3.8, you'll now find customization options such as padding, margins, typography, layout, and borders for all supported blocks. Like in the columns block here, for example, you can see that we have padding and margin settings available for you to easily customize. Similarly, in the headings block, you can adjust the typography settings right here as well. We even have layout and sizing options such as width and full width for the group, cover, and column blocks, and it's incredibly smooth to use. We have also added design integrations for some of the recently introduced core blocks too. These are blocks introduced by WordPress in the past few months, which include the latest posts block, login, logout, site title blocks, and more. All these blocks have awesome design integrations with Astra 3.8, and they'll carry color and typography settings from the theme. As you can see here in our latest post block, our typography and colors are all integrated from the styles we've selected within the theme itself, which is amazing. Now let's take a look at all the improvements we made in Astra page settings. With Astra 3.8, we have site-wide customization options via the theme customizer and page-level customization options in the meta box too. On each individual page, users have the ability to customize the layout, sidebar, heading, and much more. As you can see, we've improved how these settings are arranged so that they're more visual, better categorized, and smartly organized as well. Previously, when trying to disable your header, users may have been confused with the many different header toggles in these settings. Now, it's all simplified into a single toggle for your header, and if you want more control over the setting, those controls are all available right here in advanced settings. And if you want to adjust the visibility of the page title, we've also incorporated a simple button on the title itself, so you can adjust the setting very easily. And with the featured image, in Astra 3.8, you can enable this option here so that it's only displayed on the archive page where you upload it. We wanted to make these options more minimal and user-friendly while still maintaining maximum customization capabilities. And if you're wondering about performance improvements, we've got that too. As with every release, we've improved performance with Astra 3.8 as well. The full page load time, both in the editor and in the front end as well, has been reduced by up to 33%. We've also made some improvements to the typography section's font variant control in the customizer. We converted it from PHP to React and improved some logic, and as a result, the font controls here are blazing fast now. If you want to learn more about Astra 3.8 and all the improvements we made in this update, you can find out more by clicking on the link in the description of this video. But before we wrap up this video, I just want to give you a quick update on what you can look forward to from the Astra team. First and foremost, did you hear the news about Spectra? Spectra is a page building tool based on block editor, and it aims to help you build websites that are as fast as hand-coded ones while being easy enough for beginners to use. Spectra is coming really soon, and you can find out more about it in the description below. And as for Astra, we've been experimenting with full site editing, and we made a lot of progress that we're hoping to share with you very soon. But that's not all. For the past 3 months, we've been working on enhancing our WooCommerce integration, and we're taking our existing integration to a whole new stage by introducing some groundbreaking designs and functional features. We can't wait to release these new features in upcoming updates, so make sure you stay tuned. And if you want to check out more Astra videos and WordPress tutorials, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on our logo here, and you can watch our full Astra tutorial by clicking over here. Thank you so much for watching. May the force be with you.